Hi everyone, welcome to my video. In this video I want to show you a really cool trick how you can do advanced topic search on Google. So in case you want to rank your website higher for specific keywords or for specific topics, then I think this is one of the best ways to get exposure on Google organic search, because yeah, for sure you can use keyword tools like Ahrefs, for example, or you can do manual topic research, and this is what I want to show you in this video. So if you are building a website, or you have already your existing website and want to rank higher for specific keywords or for specific terms, this is a really good method that I want to show you today. So let me show you how this works, or how I do this. So for example, let's say you have a website about scuba diving, for example, and you want to rank for different scuba diving related terms, and you want to inform your audience about scuba diving topics, or you want to pull more traffic from Google to your website. And I think this is what we all want to get more traffic, and this is a really good method. So the thing is, when you are, for example, using Ahrefs keyword tool for finding keywords, the chances are high that these keywords are all saturated or really hard to rank for. And here's a really cool method how to find underserved topics. So for example, like I said, we have a scuba diving website, or whatever website you have, real estate company, or whatever it is. So I have here, I made I pull up Google, the Google search here, and I put in how to scuba diving, and then let's press enter here, and then we get all the search results about scuba diving, how to scuba dive, and what you need, and all the good stuff. And what we are looking for is other want to know, or the people also ask section. Google had changed this recently. Normally it was people also search, but now it's named other want to know. And this is really helpful, because Google tells us here exactly what other people searching for related. So we to get started, we have four different questions here. So in this case, how to scuba dive for beginners, what is the 1-3 rule in scuba diving, and so on and so on. And if we are open one of these questions and then close it again and open another one, you can see we get more and more questions, and this is what we want. So these questions are really gold, because these are questions that are people really put into Google and search for. So we can open as many as we want. And now we have to copy every question here. So this is a little bit time consuming, but this is one of the best methods to find underserved topics. So let's open the first, let's copy this, and then let me close this, and then I want you to open a text document on your computer. So if you are using Windows, then open a new text file in the text editor, or if you are using Mac like me, then open a text file in Mac. And here you can put in every question, and this takes a little bit of time, but it's definitely worth it. So put in when I do this method, I spend 1 to 3 hours to do this. So it takes a lot of time, but it's worth it. So do this, copy as many questions as you want. And when I do this for a customer or for myself, the research phase takes a long time, 1 to 3, 4, 5 hours. And you can do this as long as you want. So, and if you are running out of questions here, recommended questions, then you can put in here another search query, and then you get more results. So for example, we can do, is scuba diving safe, for example. Then you can see we get another pack of related search queries with safety in mind here, safety related questions, and here the same. Spend a few hours and copy all these questions here and paste it in your document, like I do now. Copy this, paste it in here. And yeah, you get the idea. So if you want to do it seriously, then it takes you a lot of time, but it's really worth it. Okay, so now let's say we have 1,000 search queries here, or search topics here. Then the next thing is we take every question we have gathered here. So for example, let's take the first, how do you scuba dive for beginners? Let's copy this, and then we go into our Google search again, paste in this question, and now you can see we have a few answers here. So the first thing is a YouTube video, and yeah, if you want to build a website, then we have to go to the posts here, and here we can see all the answers, all the topics that are already in existence. And now we have to find out, is this specific questions already answered and already good answers? Are there good answers already out there? And I think how do scuba diving for beginners? I think this might be answered really good. So here you can see 7 essential scuba diving tips for beginners, 10 tips for beginners, the ultimate beginner's guide. So this question is really, I think, really saturated and really good answered. So I think this is not worth it to write an article or even to make a video about it. So then let's give it a 5. So I have here a scale from 1 to 5. So that means 1 is really underserved, and or there are articles out there, but they are not on topic. And if I give it a 1, then this means we have to write an article or build a page about it immediately. And 5 means that this topic is already, or this question is already answered, so we don't have to bother with this. And yeah, so you have to do this for every question here. Let's copy the next. What is the 1-3 rule in scuba diving? Let's paste it in here. And now we have to see if this question is answered. You can see, I think this is not a few. And here, if you can see a forum website, this means this is really good, because forum articles are not good, and we can beat forum articles with a really good forum post with a really good article. So I think this is really good. I don't, here's an article, this rule states, okay, here's an article that explains the 1-3 rule. So, but I only see one article that answers this topic. So it's not bad. I think it's, let's give it a 1 to 2. So for this, oh, it's the wrong here. Okay, so, and this topic I think we have to answer, because chances are really high when we're writing a good article about this question and answer this question in detail, then Google has no other chance than rank our blog article or our web page. So, and yeah, and I want to and then of course you have to do this analysis. You have to do this with all the question you have gathered. If you have gathered 1,000 or 2,000 questions, then you have to spend the whole day to get through all the questions and analyze the question. If the questions are already answered, then give it a 5. If the question is not answered correctly, or not on point answered, then of course give it a 1 or a 2, and then immediately write an article or build a web page for it. And then Google has no other chance to rank your website, because there is no a specific answer out there that is on point, on topic. And so this is my topic research method that I think works really good. If you use this method, then you can find really good underserved topics, and that works really good for your website. And with this method, you can rank your website in almost no time, because you are answering questions that real people ask on Google, and that are underserved on Google. So try this out. Spend a day or two and gather all the questions on Google, and I think you will get really successful with this method. So I do this method all the time for myself, for customers of mine, when they want to rank their website. And this is the easiest way to rank websites really quickly. Because Google has no other chance than rank your website, because the questions are not answered. And so that's it for the video. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comment down below, and I will try to answer your questions as fast as I can. And if you learned something new in the video, if you found this video informative, then press the thumbs up, and also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, because I will publish more and more interesting articles about SEO and topic research and search engine optimization and all the good stuff. So thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.